Hello everyone! Today we're going to be making 3 different kinds of kale smoothies. I have planted a lot of kale plants in my garden and I find that the best way to enjoy them and get all the nutrients and benefits of this superfood is by adding them into my smoothies. So let's get started! To prep your kale, just trim the fibrous stem out and rough chop the leafy greens. So for our first recipe, we're going to be using 1 cup of pineapple. You can either use frozen or fresh. 1 whole kiwi fruit. 1 whole banana that we can either use frozen or fresh. 1 cup coconut milk. 2 cups of kale. 1 cup of spinach, half a cup of Greek yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Into the blender, we're just going to put all of the ingredients and a 1/4 cup of ice if you want your smoothie to be a little bit colder. For the second recipe, we're going to be using 1 cup of frozen or fresh ripe mangoes, 1 cup of cucumber, 1 whole kiwi, 2 cups of kale, 1 cup of spinach, 1 cup of coconut juice, and 1 cup of apple juice. To the blender, we're going to add everything in and a 1/4 cup of ice cubes. You can always add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey if you want the smoothie to be a little bit sweeter. And for our last recipe, we're going to be using 1 whole avocado, 1 cup of kale, and a 1/4 cup of frozen zucchini, 1 cup of spinach, 2 cups almond milk, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and lastly, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds that I have already hydrated with 2 tablespoons of water. For this recipe, I'm also adding a 1/4 cup of ice chips to make it a little bit colder, and of course you can always add a little bit more honey or maple syrup if you want this recipe to be a little bit sweeter. Thank you guys for joining me today. See you guys on my next video. Salamat po!